Hey beauts, it's Lisshaaleah Beauty and we're back with a new eyeshadow tutorial. If you're new here, welcome. Check out the best of playlist so you can get caught up in anything you missed. And if you're returning, well, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. Now, let's go into our quick and on fast forward eyeshadow tutorial. And that's it, folks. Thanks for stopping by. Lisshaaleah Beauty, out.